In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom URL for your channel. As you can see here, it says https www.youtube.com channel slash blah 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 blah. There's so much here. It is not easy to type, so if you wanted to tell someone about your channel, it's just not as pretty as it could be. But what I've learned is you can't get this feature until you have at least 100 subscribers. And thanks to you, I made it to 113. So thank you for that. And I'm going to show you how to do this because you helped me get there. So I am on my YouTube channel right now and I am signed in. So I'm going to click the icon in the top right corner and select settings. We're going to go to advanced settings. And right here where it says channel settings, it says you are eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. And as you can see, it gives you a suggestion. And I can either do, here's how you'll look on YouTube. youtube.com/c/growwithlady. Select an option to see how you'll look on YouTube. So I can do grow with lady, or I can do grow with lady and put other stuff after it. I actually don't want that, so I'm going to cancel it. Go click here. And I just want grow with lady. This is what I've been wanting for a while now. So I'm so excited to do this. Make sure to read the terms of use before continuing and check this box and say change URL. Confirm custom URL. Are you sure you want to change your public URL to youtube.com/c/growwithlady? Of course. So once you confirm this custom URL, you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. Confirm choice. Yay! Okay, so let's test this out. So c/growwithlady. It worked! Ah! I'm probably a lot more excited about it than I should be, but I'm so happy it worked. Oh my goodness, I finally got my custom URL on YouTube. You can see it up here. It's just looking so beautiful, like a really tasty, gorgeous lemon meringue pie. I know, I love food. Everything comes back to food, but I've been waiting for this, and I finally have it. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more YouTube tips, definitely watch the YouTube series that I have done for you. This is an extra bonus. I wasn't even planning on doing this video, but now that you've put me over 100 subscribers, we're totally doing it. So thank you for that, and have a wonderful day making your custom URL and growing your account on YouTube.